Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Trello to manage client work. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to trello.com. Over here, click on the login button at the top right corner. Then log in using your email or Google account. After that, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. Over here, go to your project board or click the plus sign to create a new one. Then name the board something like client. After that, click add a list and name it according to your workflow like to do, in progress, or done. Then click add a card under any list to add tasks. Over here, name the card based on the task. Then click on the card to open more options. After that, click on members to assign the task to someone. Then click on labels and choose a color to categorize or prioritize the task. After that, click on checklist to break down the task into smaller steps. Then click on dates to set a due date for the task. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.